Hello everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And you know guys, I have been craving for lemon chicken lately, and lemon chicken is one of my ultimate favorite chicken dishes. As a matter of fact, every time that I go to a Chinese restaurant, I would always order this particular dish. It's so good, it's so delicious. And lately, since I have been craving for this one, I thought, why won't I recreate this one myself in my own kitchen? And I have all the ingredients ready. I have my chicken breast here. All I need to do is to take my pan and cook this myself in this kitchen. So this is what we're going to do right now. Let's get started. So first step is we have to cut out our chicken. So I have 4 pieces here of chicken breast. So it's about a kilo altogether. So I have here a sharp knife and we're going to cut it into 4 slices. So what I'm doing here guys is I am cutting out my chicken here to fork sizes, and once we're done with this one, we're going to proceed with the next step, which is to marinate our chicken for 30 minutes using our flour combination as well as the soy sauce, the vinegar, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and maybe I'll add a little bit of the garlic powder. So I'm going to continue on doing this one and I'm going to be right back. So we're done chopping our chicken, and this time we're gonna marinate and dredge our chicken with our flour combination. So first thing is we're gonna add soy sauce, and then we're gonna add a little bit of ground garlic, and to this we're gonna add our 1/4 cup here of all-purpose flour, and then 1/4 cup here as well of corn flour, and then we're gonna grind some fresh pepper here, a little bit of salt, and we're gonna add 2 eggs as well. The eggs here will be our binder. And then we're going to give it a good massage. So my bowl here is a little bit small for my chicken, so I'm going to switch to a bigger bowl right now. We'll continue on massaging our chicken here. So we will set this aside in the fridge for 30 minutes, just so our chicken breast here will absorb our marinade. So we're going to use a saran wrap here. Goes in the fridge for 30 minutes. So while our chicken is marinating in the fridge, we're going to prepare all our other ingredients. So first we will grate our ginger here. So this is done. And now we're going to do our garlic. I love this California grown garlic here. They're so flavorful, and their flavor is so intense, but not overpowering. So this is what I like about it. I like the smell of it. So garlic here is done. So now what we're going to do is zest our lemon here. So once we're done zesting our lemon here, we are going to extract the juice of this one as well. That way we have both of the zest and the juice of this lemon in our lemon chicken dish. And I'm going to use my ever reliable juicer here. So juicing is done. We're just going to transfer this to this little bowl. So we're back here. Our chicken is back to room temperature, and I'm ready here with my cooktop, and my pan here is already heating up the oil, and my oil is nice and hot here, so we're ready to fry it up. And since it's a lot of chicken to fry up here, we are going to do it in batches. And that way we don't overcrowd our pan here. And also your chicken's not going to stick to each other. So we're going to fry our chicken here to golden brown. And that would take us maybe about 3 to 4 minutes to do that. And what you can do is to move them around once in a while. Once they're golden brown like this, then they're good to go. So what we're going to do right now is to transfer them to a different plate. And then we'll set them aside. And we'll do the rest of our chicken. So we're done frying up our chicken here, and we're ready to proceed to the next step, which is to create our lemon sauce. And I'm ready here with my ingredients. We'll create that sauce, that sticky kind of lemony sauce, and we will use that to glaze our chicken, and it's going to be so delicious. So I'm using here the oil that I use to fry up our chicken. So our oil is nice and hot here. We're going to add our garlic. Now we don't want to burn our garlic. We have to proceed adding our ginger right away. And to this we're going to add our lemon juice. The lemon zest. And then to add more texture into this lemony kind of sauce, I'm gonna add here pure orange juice. And I'm gonna add here about 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And about a splash of pure honey here. And then we're going to add our slurry here, which is basically water and flour. We need this to thicken up our sauce. And I want my sauce to have a bit of a kick in it. I'm going to add in my chopped chili pepper here. That also adds color to our sauce. And we're going to add a bit of pepper here, ground pepper, and then salt. And then finally our chicken goes right into our sauce. We're going to give it a good mix. Look how beautiful it is. Now we're just going to let our sauce or our glaze reduce here. And this is going to take maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. And once that's done, then we're ready to serve. Wow, this is amazing. Then we're going to add sesame seeds. Hi guys, we're back here and we're done cooking our lemon chicken, and I am here with my final product. It looks so gorgeous and I'm going to taste it right now. I know I've tried this many times before, but I want to taste my own fruit of labor. Sorry, I was speechless for a minute there. It's really great. It's really good, tasty. The lemony kind of glaze that we incorporated into our dish, it's really amazing. It has that kind of magical effect on our chicken breast here. So I hope you try it yourself and you might like it as well, in case you haven't yet. And I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video today. And again, in case you haven't checked out my website yet, it's at the bottom here. It's www.victorstinyKitchen.com. Again, it's www.victorstinyKitchen.com. All the other videos that I've done in this show, the musings, my musings on food and cooking, as well as the recipes for all the other dishes that we have cooked in here are all there. And in case you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as watch my other videos. Again, thank you very much for watching today and hope to see you in my next one. Bye for now.